Hello viewers, welcome to Crafty News. So today's video is going to be very interesting and useful. All of us will get chocolate and sweet boxes on Diwali and Bhaiya Dooj. So we are going to reuse these boxes in such a creative way that you would surely like them. So without any further delay, move to our first DIY chocolate box reuse idea. We are going to make a beautiful wall decor from chocolate box. I am using the inside part of the box. You can use the sweet box as well. I am taking sky blue and violet A4 sheet to make the base. Cut the papers as I am doing and paste them together, but do not paste the sheets into the box, otherwise it would be difficult to draw and write on the base part. Now on black sheet draw the shape of Ariel or mermaid, you may say. Cut it and paste it on the base. Now draw the lower part of mermaid. Use ribbon to make the skirt. Paste stone stickers all over the lower part. I am using blue beads stickers. You can use silver or even white. I am using blue ribbons and adorn a bunch of artificial flowers. I am pasting them as per my imagination. I am using leaf vine also. After that, paste shapes and shells and stones as well. These shells and shapes you will easily get from any craft store. I am using my old bracelet which I bought from Mumbai. Now to cover the frame of the box, I am using sticker A4 sheet. If you want, you can use as it is, or you can use craft sheet to cover the edges of the box. I cut the strips according to the size of the box and pasted them all. To hang it, I am using jute rope and I paste it on the both sides of the box with the help of glue gun. Beautiful wall decor is ready. I hope you would have liked this DIY sweet box reuse idea. Please let me know in the comment section below. Now let's move to next DIY envelope bouquet, which is made outer box of same chocolate box. Mark at 13 cm from both sides. Mark 1 cm on the bottom part of the box on both sides and match these lines to the marked areas in crisscross manner. Cut the whole above part. For the back flap of envelope, mark at 13 cm on both sides to give it the height and mark at the midpoint of the box width. Leaving 1 cm gap from the center, point it and match the corners. Cut the rest of the part. Our envelope is now ready. Now we will cover it. I am using A4 sheet. If you want, you can take the bigger sheet. As I am using A4 sheet, that's why I need 2 sheets to cover it, for the front part and the back part. Now follow the instructions in the video. Cover the inside part with the white A4 sheet. Now I am pasting the strips on the edges of the envelope to make it more attractive. Our envelope is ready now. Now we can put the flowers of our choice inside it. I am using jute rope and ribbon to wrap around it. Our beautiful DIY envelope bouquet is ready. Nobody can guess that it is made out of a waste chocolate box. So friends, I hope that you would like both the DIYs. My daughter really liked the mermaid wall decor. Please let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite one. In the next video also, I am going to reuse seed boxes. So stay tuned, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I will upload the new video. Take care, be crafty. Bye bye.